What's going on today? Squirrels? Is it a squirrel day? No, it's not a squirrel day.
Dog.
No, go ahead.
All right. I'm Pot Roast.
I'm Benjamin.
We're back alley bastards. Greetings, everyone. It's Pot Roast. Sorry we didn't put out a video last week. I had to go to Kansas City with my wife for our 25th anniversary. So here's what we did. And Ben took it upon the opportunity of a free weekend from building the Battleman to tear off his roof of his house. So
it's been a really long past 5 days ripping this roof off, tuck pointing the parapets, just moving. There must be 100 of these. Most of them are stacked in the attic. And been up here since this morning. I'm beat. I owe Tom my life. I think we're nearing the final minutes. And Pot Roast, if you're watching, I hope you can tell me about the title for that beast.
but we're back. I'm back. Ben's still messing around with his roof. He's got it all tore off. He's putting new decking on and doing a little building there. So maybe we'll see some additional video of that. But for now, I'm going to work on the grill while I'm here by myself. Since I got a weld, Ben's not a big fan of welding, so he likes to be away from the light that can burn your retinas, which makes sense. So I'll get on with that. We'll see what we can do. So the basic frame is welded. I'm going to put on the grills and get them centered, get them tuned up, tack those in place, put it on the van, see how it looks. Then I got to figure out some type of anchoring point, so that's always fun. See you back in a bit. And just like that, the grill is welded. We'll see how well it holds. Like I said, I'm not the greatest welder. But I can hold a stick there until it melts enough metal around something that it's not going to necessarily fall apart. But I did weld my grill on my Toyota truck, and it's held up for 2 years now, so what have I got to lose? Alright, as you can see, the grill is on here. I gotta center it, and I gotta figure out some mounting points for it, which should be interesting. I'm gonna turn the camera off for that and fiddle with it, because it may take me a couple hours. I'm already up at about an hour worth of filming. Got a bunch of hitchhiker weeds on me for some reason. I'm going to take a look around and see what I can find. Bolts, screws, who knows. I'll come back. Hey, this is Pot Roast. I just finished welding up the grill, so let's go take a look at it. If we can figure out how this... There we go. Flipped around. And so, forward view of it, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's on here nice and sturdy. I just took some rod and welded it up in place with a washer on top, bolted to the front of the I don't know what you call it, but the frame, I guess. But it's nice and strong, it's sturdy, it's gonna hold. it'll be just fine. Hey everyone. So, long day. Got the grill on. That's the important thing. Started to put the locking brackets on for the hatch, except it's really a two-man job. I got some of the, I got the holes drilled and I got the bolts in there, but I can't tighten them and hold them from being loose on the inside at the same time. So hopefully Thursday, the Ben's roof will be done, and I'll be able to get his help on doing that. But, you know, hey, made progress. That's all that matters. Trying to think what we got left besides paint. I don't know if we're going to get tires. We need to get spacers. I think 4 lug to 5 lug, which is the rims that we have. We got some truck tires on 6 lug, or it's 5 lug to 4. I don't remember. Which we may just throw on there. But then we got to cut away all the excess body panels to get the tires to work. So that may just be something for next year's Gambler. You know, we do our best. We only had a little bit more than a month to get this going, 2 months. And we're only really able to work on it 2 days a week. So, you know, hey, we're going to enjoy ourselves as a Gambler. And if we break down, we get stuck, well, you know, at least we didn't invest that much money into it. And then we got a Thunder out there, that Blazer that's all chopped up, waiting on the bill of sale for that. And then I got to apply for a title, and then it's Missouri, so who knows what I'm going to have to go through. It may not be pretty at all. I'm not looking forward to it. But you know what? Carry on, press on. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, buy a bag of cat food at our Patreon, or send us some money if you wish. Whatever. Enjoy.
You are now entering the Cistern Chapel.
App Store. He's getting ready to get canceled.
This
Or if the truck's canceled, it's because they went against you.
Pot Roast is back there talking, ruining my dialogue. Oh, so I built this years ago. I guess it wasn't that long ago. So I needed a ceiling, and I didn't want something normal. And I did another bottle window.